Welcome to Top Maths. Maths is easy. It just needs practice, practice, and practice.
Now example number 9. The sum of two roots of quadratic equation is 5 and sum of their cubes is 35. Find the equation. Okay. Now sum of roots is 5 means alpha plus beta is equals to 5. Sum of their cubes is 35. Sum of cube means alpha cube plus beta cube is equals to 35. This is given to us. Okay, we have to find the equation. Now, I am going to use one equation which I had already learned. A plus b bracket cube is equals to, what is the formula for a plus b bracket cube? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b. ये आपने सीखा था last year, last to last year I think, right? A plus b bracket cube is equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b. Now same will convert into alpha beta. So what I can write? Alpha plus beta cube is equals to a cube plus b cube alpha cube plus beta cube plus 3ab a plus b 3 alpha beta alpha plus beta. Correct? Instead of ab I have just replaced it with alpha and beta. आ रहा है समझ में? तो इसको मैं अभी रफ कर देता हूं. Okay. Now let's substitute the values. Alpha plus beta is equals to 5. Alpha cube plus beta cube is equals to 35. Alpha plus beta is 5, so 5 cube. Alpha cube plus beta cube is 35. So 35 plus 3 alpha beta. Alpha plus beta is again 5. Right? So 5 cube is 125. 35 plus 3 5s are 15 alpha beta. This plus 35 I will take on the left side. So 125 minus 35 is 90 is equals to 15 alpha beta. 15 will come on the left side. It will be divided by 15. So 90 divided by 15 is equals to alpha beta. 15 6 are 90. So alpha beta is equals to 6. So now I got the value of alpha beta is equals to 6. Alpha plus beta is equals to 5. Find the equation. So the equation is, what is the formula if you know alpha plus beta and alpha beta? Yes, it is x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta is equals to 0. Right? We had already learned this. So x square minus alpha plus beta means 5x plus alpha beta is 6 is equals to 0. This is our answer. है ना इजी? इसमें आपको क्या है, ये जो इक्वेशन है वो आपको लिखना आना चाहिए. ओके, एंड फॉर दैट वी हैव टेकन द हेल्प ऑफ a plus b bracket cube is equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b. Okay, understood? अच्छी तरीके से करो. Best of luck and thank you. Now let's learn example number 12. The difference between the squares of two numbers is 120 and the square of smaller number is twice the greater number. Find the number. So there are two numbers, greater number and smaller number. So I will assume greater number is x and smaller number is y. Okay. So now see here. Square of smaller number is twice the greater number. This is given. So square of smaller number, that means y square, is twice of greater number. Twice of greater number is 2x. I say this is a statement number 1. Now the condition given is the difference between the squares of two numbers is 120. Difference between squares of these two numbers is 120. Difference between squares means x square minus y square equals to 120. So now x square minus y square. Y square is what? y square is 2x from statement 1. Correct? So instead of y square, I will replace it with 2x is equals to 120. I'll say from 1. है ना? So x square minus 2x minus 120 is equals to 0. This is your equation. I'll write this equation over here again. X square minus 2x minus 120 is equals to 0. Can you factorize minus 120 such that the sum is 2? Yes, we can factorize 12 tens are 120. 12 into 10. Correct. Last term negative, both factors will have different signs. Middle number sign should be given to greater factor. So minus 12 plus 10. Minus 12 plus 10, addition is minus 2. Minus into plus minus 12 tens are 120. So x square minus 12x plus 10x minus 120 is equals to 0. Correct? So x minus 12 plus 10 x minus 12 is equals to 0. So what will first bracket x minus 12, second bracket x plus 10 equals to 0. So x minus 12 is 0 or x plus 10 is 0. Correct? So now x is equals to 12 or x is equals to minus 10. But x cannot be negative. So minus 10 is not possible. Correct? So what is x? X is equals to 10, 12. And what is x? X is greater number. So let's say greater number is 12. Correct? Smaller number. What is smaller number? It is y. But what is said? That y square is equals to 2x. So y square is equals to 2x. So x is 12. So y square is equals to 2 into 12, that is 24. So if y square is 24, that means y is equals to plus minus 20 root 24, na? Y square is 24, so y is equals to square root of 24 and plus minus, correct? What is y? Y is smaller number. So I will say, therefore, smaller number is plus or minus square root of 24. Means if greater number is 12, the smaller number could be plus root 24 or it could be minus root 24. कंसेप्ट समझ में आ रही है? देखो यहाँ पे ये जो है इक्वेशन तैयार करना ये इंपॉर्टेंट है. इक्वेशन तैयार करने के बाद सॉल्विंग इज वेरी इजी. अगेन ये कैलकुलेशन समझ में आके आपको आंसर लिखना इज अ टफ जॉब. ओके, अच्छी तरीके से करो. बेस्ट ऑफ लक एंड थैंक यू. नाउ लेट्स सी एग्जांपल नंबर 13. Ranjana wants to distribute 540 oranges among some students. If 30 students were more, each would get 3 oranges less. Find the number of students. कितने oranges है? 540. And we want to find how many are the number of students. Okay. So let number of students is equals to x. Total number of oranges 540. Now each student will get how many oranges? Suppose if there are 100 oranges, okay, and there are 10 students, how many oranges each will get? 10. आपने क्या किया इसमें? Number of oranges divided by number of students. If the students are 20, सबको कितने मिलेंगे? 5. That means again 100 divided by 20. 20 is what? Number of students. Here 10 is number of students. और 100 क्या है? This is total number of oranges, right? So total number of oranges divided by number of students, that will give me how many oranges each one student will get. Okay, so here I write each student will get 540 upon x, because 540 is number of oranges, and x is the number of students. So each student will get 540 upon x number of oranges. Concept समझ में आ रही है? Next, if the students increase by 30, then each student will get how many oranges? Here the students are 10, so we were getting 10 oranges. Here number of students increase from 10 to 20, we get now 5 oranges per student. That means if the number of students are increasing, the number of oranges each will get will decrease, right? So here I write 540 upon x plus 30, that is number of oranges divided now the number of students increased by 30. तो x plus 30 नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स, इतने ऑरेंजेस हर एक चिल्ड्रन को मिलेंगे, राइट? अभी जब स्टूडेंट्स की संख्या बढ़ती है तो नंबर ऑफ ऑरेंजेस ईच विल गेट इज गेटिंग रिड्यूस्ड, एंड दे सेड इट इज रिड्यूसिंग बाय 3, करेक्ट? सो फ्रॉम गिवन कंडीशन वी कैन राइट, पहले मिल रहे थे 540 अपॉन x नंबर ऑफ ऑरेंजेस, now we are getting 540 upon x plus 30 number of oranges. इसका जो डिफरेंस है वो कितना है? 3. जैसे कि यहाँ पे डिफरेंस कितना आ गया? 5. पहले 10 मिल रहे थे, अभी 5 मिल रहे हैं, मतलब 5 ऑरेंजेस कम मिलेंगे. वैसे यहाँ पे पहले इतने मिल रहे थे, बाद में इतने मिल रहे हैं, अभी इसमें कितने कम मिलेंगे? तो 3 ऑरेंजेस हर एक स्टूडेंट्स को कम मिलेंगे. कंसेप्ट समझ में आ रही है? ओके, तो नाउ लेट्स मूव फर्दर. Before that, I just इसको मैं डिलीट कर देता हूं. ओके, I would take 540 common. So if I take 540 common, in bracket I would write 1 upon x minus 1 upon x plus 30 is equals to 3. 1 upon x minus 1 upon x plus 30 equals to 3. Okay, so 540 क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन करेंगे. 1 इंटू एक्स प्लस 30, एक्स प्लस 30 माइनस 1 इंटू एक्स इज एक्स अपॉन एक्स इंटू एक्स प्लस 30 इक्वल्स टू 3. So 540 x minus x is getting cancelled. 30 upon x into x plus 30, x square plus 30x equals to 3. So 540 into 30 upon 3 is equals to x square plus 30x, राइट में गया. ओके, तो 3 1 दा 3, 3 10 दा 30, so x square plus 30x. 540 into 10, 5400 plus 5400 will be minus. So minus 5400 is equals to 0. So this is my quadratic equation, x square plus 30x minus 5400 is equals to 0. Now can you tell me the factorization of 5400 such that the sum is 30? 9 6 are 54. Correct? So if I make it 90 multiplied by 60, it would give me 5400. I want plus 30, so I would say plus 90 minus 60. This is the factorization of minus 5400. Here 90 minus 60 is 30, plus into minus minus 90 into 60 is 5400. Okay, so we'll solve. X square plus 90x minus 60x minus 5400 is equals to 0. What is common? X plus 90. Common minus 60. Again x plus 90 I would write is equals to 0. Minus 60 into x minus 60x minus into plus minus 60 into 90 5400. तो एक ब्रैकेट में आपका आ गया x plus 90, सेकेंड ब्रैकेट में आ गया आपका x minus 60 equals to 0. So x plus 90 is 0, x minus 60 is 0. x is equals to minus 90 or x is equals to 60. Now what is x? X is number of oranges. Sorry, number of students. And number of students cannot be negative. So we'll say, but number of students can't be negative. So if the number of students cannot be negative, x cannot be equal to minus 90. So x is equals to 60. करेक्ट, ये आंसर अपना करेक्ट होना चाहिए. दैट मीन्स क्या आंसर लिखोगे? नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स इज इक्वल्स टू 60. दिस इज योर आंसर. कंसेप्ट समझ में आ रही है? देखिए इस एग्जांपल में आपका ये जो इक्वेशन बन गया ना, ये इक्वेशन आपको कैसे बना ये पूरी तरीके से समझ में आना चाहिए. ओके, एंड फॉर दैट यू कैन टेक सम लाइव एग्जांपल्स. जैसे कि मैंने आपको बोला 100 बच्चे हैं, हर एक को मैंने 10 ऑरेंज दिए, वैसा कुछ आपको करना है. ओके, तभी आपको ये कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आएगी और अच्छी तरीके से फिर बाकी का कैलकुलेशन इतना इजी, मतलब हार्ड नहीं है. ओके, तो यू कैन डू इट. अच्छी तरीके से करो. बेस्ट ऑफ लक एंड थैंक यू.
Thank you for watching Top Maths.